Great, let's continue our next part. As you see, we have done a straight line Mobius strip. How about if we want to do a curved line Mobius strip? How can we do it? Go to the right view, draw a curved line shape, closed curved line, and may I adjust the shape of it, maybe like this, or you can do any form you want, okay? And I need to draw a circle first, input 0, 0, circle, and I just drag the circle, okay. And also we need to draw a central point, this point, because we want to use mirror to do another one. I just input mirror, I go to the right view. You see, in my perspective view, I draw another curved form on the right side, right? Copy one, 10 is 45 degrees, okay? Maybe I want it to be negative 45. Negative 45, and then use rotate command. Hold shift command, radial command bar. Second reference point is the angle. So I input 45 degrees, press enter. Then I use polar array. Check your command bar, center of polar array. This is our center point. And input 4. Press enter, okay. Okay, so we made 6 curved lines. In the previous tutorial, we used the loft command to do our Mobius strip. Let's repeat. Select all of your curved lines. Select the loft command, okay. Click your natural option. Okay, natural, we press enter, close loft. Get our new curved line Mobius strip. And then we want to get our wireframe. But as you see, the UV structure lines, the iso curved line. Now it's very simple. So what we want to do is we need to rebuild our surface first. Select our surface, press enter. We may want it to be 75 U lines and maybe 35 V lines. 3 degrees is a curved line. As you see, I show you again. It's 8 degrees, it's 3 degrees, 35 V lines. Go to project curve, extract wireframe, and select our surface, and press enter. Then we get a wireframe. Create a new layer and change object layers to this layer. Okay. Can hide this surface for a moment. And then we select all U iso curve lines. U direction iso curve lines. Select them all. Create another U structure lines, and then we change off the layer to this one, hide layer. Select all V iso curve lines and create another layer, V lines. Okay. Then we want to make the structures by using this iso curve line. So you use planar surface first, planar surface, and we want to head the lines. Okay, offside surface. There are 2 surfaces, as you say, they're very close. So we delete one. double check here. This one is too close, so we delete them. Do this one. Okay. And then we offset our surface. Choose both sides. Yes, both sides, and distance is 0, 1, 5. Okay, press enter. Okay, we made the solid volumes. Turn on my surface. I need to have this surface first. Copy one, and copy and paste. Then let us create our frames. First, select all of my surface and panels, and then just hold Control and unselect the surface. Go to use Boolean difference to create the frames. Boolean difference with your command bar, select surface or poly surface to subtract width. This is our target. Before you do this command, you need to go File and save your file. Okay. Press enter. Waiting for your computer. Sometimes your computer will crash, so save it before do this. Okay, read your command bar. Boolean difference failed. Why? Do you know what is the reason? Because your panel and your surface are overlaps together. You need to remember, before we do Boolean surface, you need to make sure one object is smaller than another one. So what we need to do is we just offset our surface a little bit, maybe 0.3. Press enter and don't do it both sides. No? Okay. And control your direction, offset direction, press enter. Okay. Delete this one, big one, copy and paste one, copy and paste. Negative 200, okay. Cool. Let us do Boolean difference again. Press enter. Great, we get our frame. I want them to go another layers, change object layer, so V frame. Okay, another color maybe. Let me go back to the shaded mode and change object layer. Okay. Hide them for a moment. I go U direction, input extrude curve, and make sure go both sides. Click yes, both sides yes, and we input 0.16. Press enter. And we delete our lines. And delete this one. And then what should we do? We should change the surface to solid, right? And then we go offset surface and flip off. Check your offset direction. We want it to be both sides, maybe 0.2. Press enter. And let us turn on our surface. Input 200 again. Let us check it. Perfect. Before I create our floors, I want to change all this U direction framings to another layer. So I add our surface first and add this V framings. And I go create another layer, maybe green. Okay. Change object layers. Cool. And I have this. show our surface. If we want to create floors, what command do we usually use? Contour command, right? Let's click contour and go to the right view and find our first point and second point. Input 6, then we create our contour lines. And if we drag them out, you can see they are all closed line, right? Perfect. Then walk back, input 200, and use planar surface to create floors. Then we create another layer for them. Change object layer. Maybe we use pink color, maybe red. Okay, change object layers. And input negative 200 for them back. Show all. We go to ghosted mode, and you see we finish all of our structures. If you want to create this surface to solid volumes, you can use offside surface. Then let us review what we learned for this tutorial. We used loft command to create a mobile straight surface. The second one is we rebuild our surface to have our UV isocurve lines, right? And then we used extract wireframe. And then what we used? We use offside and extrude to make our framings, right? And then we used contours to make floors. Okay guys, have a practice. Thank you for watching.